Tonight, fast, lean, delicious, photo real, crave-worthy, simple, bold flavors. Dry for crispy edges, fresh crunch, low-cal, light oil, thin coat, season both sides, smoky, bright zest, preheat for sear, easy clean, no stick, room for hot air, 8-10 minutes. Protein, omega-3s. Flaky, still juicy. Rest 2 minutes. Small for speed. Just a teaspoon. Coat edge to edge. Hot basket. Crisp. Don't overcrowd. Shake halfway. Crunch incoming. We hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe. Lightly seasoned. Garlic lemon pop. Tender crisp goal. Color. Flavor. Bright finish. Fast gravy base. 1 minute sauté. Light thickener. Half cup stock. Umami. Herbs. Silky. Glossy. Greens first. Crisp. Tender. Protein star. Just enough. Flavor bump. Golden crunch. Perfect flake. Tender crisp snap. Balanced. Light. Save. Share. Enjoy.